No family is perfect. We argue, we fight, we even stop talking to each other at times. But in the end, family is family. The love of